Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my another video. Guys, I'm Ashraf and you watching Graphic Task. So guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to sharpen image in Photoshop. So let's get start. Hey guys, here we can see this image is not sharpened. I want to sharpen this image. So first of all we need to duplicate this layer. We can drag this layer and drop here for duplicate this layer. Okay. Now we need to go filter and then click other and high pass. Okay, yeah, the 8.2 is pretty good. Okay, hit OK. Now we need to change this layer blind mode. We normal to hard light. Here is the before and here is the after. Okay guys, now we create a new layer and then go images and then click apply images and hit OK. Okay, now again we click filter and then click sharpen and smart sharpen. Okay, here is a close on blur and yeah, 90 is fine. Okay, hit OK. Yeah, that's nice. Here is before and here is after. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.